community to bring it back this year. We are happy to announce that this year, we were able to collect the highest amount of revenue raised than ever before. We have 23 teachers and staff sign up to collect money, and the top 2 teachers that raised the most money are supposed to kiss the cow, or in this case, the calf, who was born less than 24 hours ago. A large portion of the money raised will be donated to Central Valley Vietnam Veterans, which was started in 2007 by a group of men who served our country during the Vietnam War many years ago. Unfortunately, some of these men have passed, but the organization, as well as their honor, lives on. Being active members of our community and active members who have done community work at our very own high school, I would like to introduce these men. Can I please have Ken Story, the president, and Bill Flores, the vice president of Central Valley Vietnam Veterans, please come up. We thank you for all that you do in our community, and we thank you for your service. Without you, our city, as well as our country, would not be the same. We would like to donate this check of $770 to you. Mount Whitney, please join me in honoring these men with your applause. It's time to kiss the cow. Or like I said, it is cow. For the staff member who raised the most amount of money, to my friend Karina Munoz, please come down. And the teacher in second place, Miss Doyle, can you come down as well? By the way,